Free murder accused Colin Bailey today filed a $100 million lawsuit against the state almost 2 months after his High Court trial came to an abrupt end. Bailey, an ex-policeman who had spent over 5 years behind bars for the 2013 murder of his reputed wife, is suing for unlawful imprisonment, malicious prosecution, and breach of his fundamental right.
I would not be doing justice to other people who are there, getting charged wrongfully and being in prison and just come out and do absolutely nothing. I feel that I've spent 6 years in prison and coming out and doing absolutely nothing. I've wasted my life. This is one point that I feel that I should stand firm and take a step against such injustice.
Represented by Nigel Hughes, Ronald Daniels, and Conio Sandiford, Bailey, along with the $100 million claim for wrongful arrest and breach of his fundamental right to freedom, is seeking in excess of $100 million for wrongful performance of the charge of murder against, in excess of $100 million for breach of the orders of the Honorable Justices Sandil Kissoon and Navindra Singh, directing the AG and the DPP to present the indictment against him, and $100 million in damages for the malicious prosecution against him. Additionally, he is also seeking a declaration that his arrest and detention by members of the Guyana Police Force on February 24, 2016 was without lawful jurisdiction and or a contravention of his fundamental right not to be deprived of his personal liberty as guaranteed by Article 40 and 139 of the Constitution. He is also seeking a declaration that the decision by the DPP to institute criminal charge against him for the offense of murder was an abuse of power, arbitrary, and ultra-virus. Attorney General and Minister of Legal Affairs Anil Nandalal and the Director of Public Prosecutions Shalimar Ali Haq were named as respondents in the matter. On October 13, Bailey was freed by Justice Joan Barlow after the state prosecutor, Sarah Martin, conceded that there was no evidence linking him to the crime. Hughes then made a submission for the charge to be dismissed.